Welcome to my Google Pixel 3 update video. If you want to see my full review of the Pixel 3, please click the link above here or here before watching this Pixel 3 update. As per my last video, I was going to take the Google Pixel 3 with me to Vienna and London. However, wherever you are in the world, we had some terrible snowstorms over here.
We have now the army in place, also the German Bundeswehr is standing by to help.
Which is still ongoing. I simply had to cancel my trip. That doesn't mean we should not look at the latest Android update for the Google Pixel 3 and what the fix contains of. And also thank you for all the comments to let me know about the before mentioned patch release. I have been literally a day off with me posting my full review, therefore it is only fair to do an update for my original Pixel 3 review video. The January Android update contains of security patches as well as improved audio quality when recording videos. I am going to do 2 recordings with my Google Pixel 3, one of which is in a controlled environment, and when I say controlled, I mean inside and be able to control the level of external interference. The second recording will be outside in a non-controlled environment to see and compare both recordings before and after the Google Pixel 3 update.
Now I have done more recordings to make sure I capture it all. I have updated my phone and settings between those recordings to get the most accurate before and after result possible.
Hi guys, this is a video and audio test before the Google Pixel 3 update, and I just want to give you an impression what it sounds and looks like in a controlled environment. This is a video and audio test after the latest installation of Android for my Google Pixel 3. Hi guys, this is a video recording in an uncontrolled environment to see and hear what it is like before the update for the Pixel 3. Hi guys, this is the video and audio quality after the update, after the Google Pixel 3 release patch Android update in an uncontrolled environment. 1, 2, 3 audio test. This is another video and audio test after the Pixel 3 update.
Wow, as predicted in my original Pixel 3 review, Google has done it and fixed it. The audio is like day and night to what it was and has a much deeper and firm sound to it and isolates my voice nicely. I have looked really closely at the video footage and I personally feel that there is more contrast / better black and white color range, which could be due to improved HDR. Please let me know in the comments below if you see and hear the same results as me, but if not, let me know what you see and hear from this Google Pixel 3 footage. To close this video off today, I can honestly say as a long life iPhone user, this is pretty amazing and I like the Pixel 3 more and more every day. I will still make this my device of choice and travel extensively once the snowstorms have passed. See you next time and thank you for watching. Jens here from All Star Space. Peace out.